Well, our vision is to provide the premium entertainment nationwide, to mix retro and modern gaming, mixed with bowling, just a premium entertainment experience for everyone. Here in our Orlando facility, we have our retro arcade, we have our modern game room, we have a full-featured restaurant, 2 full liquor bars, duckpin bowling, which is absolutely amazing. You can see it behind me now, and we have crazy darts. So those are our attractions here. We think bowling is a great option for inside of our centers. It's a great social game that many people can go ahead. It's a great team building experience. We think it's a fantastic attraction all around for all ages. So it was a no-brainer for us. Only QubicaAMF. There is no other product out there that is even close to it as far as quality, ease of use, as far as having the installation process and the after to go ahead and make sure that the support is there. These people are fantastic. Far supersede our expectations. Incredibly good, incredibly good. We'll see a positive ROI in no time. We don't really look at the numbers inch by inch. As far as the facility itself, it's doing overwhelming numbers. It's a great reception that we've had. So we have absolutely no problem with the numbers. These things make money. I would say buy with confidence. I would say, you know, if you wanted to, go out there and take a look at the competitors. However, rest assured that, you know, these things are leading in the industry for a reason. That's the reason why we chose it. Customer service is fantastic. The product, the quality is absolutely fantastic.